Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bump in Virginia on the Stryker SR-655HP. Bump, we'll get it ready to go for you, man. Our tune and alignment, of course the voltage regulator upgrade, and we did the ERF2030 plus upgrade in this as well. You're going to be using it with your straight 4-pil, so it's going to work out rather nicely. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. You got to set it 2 watts, that way you got full adjustability to set that carrier where you want in the with the amp on. And about 22 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. So we're getting right at 60 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Just around 125 watts PEP. Now Bump, that'll work out good for you on your 4-pil. Like I said, start with your RF power all the way down. It'll still swing full potential. 250 watt slug. So 2 watt carrier swinging 125 PEP. Whatever your amplifier is swinging, set your carrier around 20% of that. So 20 to 25%. So if you're swinging 800, you'd be okay. Make it a dead key 200. Okay. All right, if you have any more questions, let me know. And hope you enjoyed the customization there as well. They can be found on the custom order screen, very first selection. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.